Verpex versus Hostinger, which one is the best for you? If you're searching for a web hosting provider, you've likely come across Verpex and Hostinger. Both are popular options, but they have different strengths. Let's compare them to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Verpex Hosting. Premium features support. Verpex is known for its high reliability and excellent customer support. It offers a 99.99% uptime guarantee, ensuring that your website experiences minimal downtime. Every Verpex plan includes free SSL certificates to secure your website, daily backups to protect your data, DDoS protection to keep your site safe from attacks. One of Verpex's biggest advantages is its 24/7 customer support. Available through live chat, phone, and email. This makes Verpex an excellent choice if you want fast and reliable assistance whenever needed. In terms of pricing, Verpex's shared hosting plans start at $2.70 per month. While it's not the cheapest option, you're paying for premium support, security, and high uptime. Hostinger, budget-friendly, reliable. Hostinger is one of the most affordable hosting providers on the market. It offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is slightly lower than Verpex but still reliable. With Hostinger, you also get free SSL certificates for website security, daily backups included in most plans, a user-friendly control panel that makes it easy to manage your website. One of Hostinger's biggest advantages is its low cost. The most basic shared hosting plan starts at just $2.99 per month. Their premium plan, which offers more features like unlimited bandwidth and a free domain, starts at $2.99 per month, while the business plan, which includes extra speed and security, is $3.99 per month. However, some features, like advanced security options and priority support, are only available in higher-tier plans. Which one should you choose? If you want the most affordable hosting option with solid performance and features, Hostinger is a great choice. If you prioritize uptime, top-tier customer support, and extra security features, Verpex is the better option. Check the links in the description to find exclusive offers and discounts for both hosting providers. Also, subscribe to my channel for more comparisons and helpful content.